In our last road trip, we embarked on an 800-mile journey to Tennessee on the Grom to pick up this gorgeous MT-07 from Zach. It was quite an adventure where we faced many challenges, but eventually we successfully made it back home, just in time to avoid the winter storm that just hit Dallas. Unfortunately, due to the relentless storms in Texas and my focus on working on the camper van that we picked up for the channel, I left the MT-07 sitting idle for a few weeks. But I think it's finally time to take it out of the garage and do a quick cold start. Alright, hopefully y'all like that cold start. But let's finally start working on the MT-07 by adding these bar end mirrors, because small mirrors are better than no mirrors. Also, putting on a new set of tires. By the way, this is my buddy Jay. If you need a bike mechanic in the Dallas area, go check him out. Next on the list is repairing this taillight bracket. To do this, I brought in my trusty bucket of mixed nuts and found some oversized washers to sandwich the brackets together. As you may have noticed, the bike is quite dirty and caked in grime. So I decided to check out the air filter. Not too bad. But this is much better. Finally, we're going to give this beauty some love by repainting some parts that have seen better days. But unfortunately, that's where we're going to end today's video. I actually had to leave on a 4,000-mile road trip in the camper van. I'm currently right now in the suburbs of Chicago visiting my parents, and I'm going to be here for a little bit because we're going to start the renovations of the van at my buddy Jack's house. So we have a lot of plans for this channel, but a lot of things are going to be kind of slow because I'm working as I'm going, and editing, it takes a lot of time and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoy the little sneak peek preview of the MT-07. There's still more things to come, and of course the road trip that's coming up for that, as well as the full renovation of this van. So hopefully you guys enjoyed everything else, and we'll see you in the updates later.